In this video, we will learn how to save or export your edited videos from CapCut to your photo gallery on your phone. CapCut is a very popular video editing app, and saving videos is quite simple. I'm gonna quickly create and edit a simple video which I will then save to my gallery. There are two ways to save your videos. The first method is to tap the X button in the top left corner of the screen. CapCut will automatically save your video as a project. Whenever you open the app, the project will be there, and by tapping on it, it will automatically open in the editor, so you don't have to worry about saving the changes you've made. However, this won't save the video to your photo gallery, and you won't be able to share it on social media this way. To save the video to your photo gallery, you can simply tap the export button up here, but a better option is to tap the resolution button next to the export button. This will open the export settings, where you can select the frame rate, resolution, and bitrate for your video. The higher these numbers, the better the video quality. But keep in mind that this will also make the video file larger. If you don't have much storage space on your device, you might want to keep these numbers a bit lower. If you are wondering what each one does, here's a brief explanation. Resolution. This refers to the number of pixels in the video. The higher the number of pixels, the clearer the video will be, allowing it to be displayed in good quality on a larger screen. Frame rate. This determines how smooth the video will look. If you want smooth motion with lots of detail, set it high. 24 FPS is commonly used for movies. Bitrate. This refers to how the image is processed in the video. If it's slow, something like this could happen. Smart HDR or high dynamic range. This improves video quality by adjusting the light and dark tones of your video to display the best possible details. Now, back to the main point of the video. Once you've selected the video export settings, tap export and wait a few seconds or minutes, depending on the size of your project. When CapCut finishes exporting your project, you can exit the app and go to your photo gallery. And as you can see, I've successfully saved my video from the CapCut editing app. But one thing that some people around me mention is that sometimes CapCut sends them a message saying they need to pay a monthly subscription to export their video. CapCut is free and won't require you to pay a membership to export your videos. What happens is you might be using elements or effects from CapCut's Pro version. For example, in this project, you will notice this Pro icon. If I tap export, I will see this message informing me that I'm using Pro features of CapCut and need to purchase a plan to render my video using these features. If you really need all those features, you can pay for a plan, as CapCut does have excellent features that will greatly simplify your video editing. But if you don't want to lose all your work editing this video and still want to render it, you will need to remove the Pro features you use. But from all the editing I did, what should I remove? Fortunately, CapCut is super friendly and makes it easy for you. If you tap on the Pro icon, it will tell you which Pro features you are using. In the case of this project, I'm using the smooth slow motion feature, so I will search for it and simply remove it. As you can see, the Pro icon at the top is now gone, and if I tap export, it allows me to export my video without any issues. If you want to learn to master all the video editing tricks and secrets on your phone, tap the playlist on the screen and improve your editing today. Thanks for watching.